Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of turning off restricted mode in YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC and sign into your account. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to youtube.com. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. At the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, scroll down to the bottom and click on Restricted Mode. Step 4. A top right box will open. To turn off restricted mode, click on Active Auto Restricted Mode to toggle it to gray. By following these steps, you can easily turn off restricted mode in YouTube on your PC, allowing you to access a wider range of content. And there you have it. You now know how to turn off restricted mode in YouTube on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.